how to use reduce method in JavaScript. So you see that we're having an array of numbers, and let's say we want to create an output which would be an object, and the keys of the object would be the individual value of the array, but their values would be based on some condition. So what I'll do, I'll say numbers dot reduce, and this will take two parameters. The first one would be a callback function, and the second would be an initial value. So the initial value on a set, that is an object. Now let's define that callback above. Function callback. Now this callback also will be taking two parameters, ACC, comma, the individual value. Now this ACC is basically an accumulator, and whatever value you provide here, that would be assigned into this ACC. So what you can say that ACC of number equals to, if the number is greater or equal to 3, then we'll simply return true or we'll return false, and eventually return the accumulator itself. Now if I take the output which this reduce function will return, and if I log that value, you see we're having 1 as false, 2 as false, and rest are true.